Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl, Star Flames, and in this video, we're going to talk about Sean Diddy Combs' legal team. They want the judge to block Tony Buzbee. They're saying that Tony Buzbee has improperly filed over 22 lawsuits, and that is because Tony Buzbee is not barred to practice in the Southern District of New York. So he's not licensed to practice in the courtroom that he has been filing the lawsuits in. Majority of the lawsuits filed against Diddy. Now, Tony Buzbee had basically asking the judge if he could get another lawyer to represent him on these cases in the Southern District of New York. But Sean Diddy Combs' legal team is fighting back. They're saying, no, Tony Buzbee should not be allowed to do this because from the get-go, he had no business filing these lawsuits in a courtroom that he's not licensed to practice, and this is a malicious act on Tony Buzbee's end. Now let's get into this report that is coming out. They're saying Diddy says his legal arch enemy, attorney Tony Buzbee, has no business filing lawsuits against him in at least one federal court, and he wants a judge to shut him down now. Buzbee, of course, has filed dozens of lawsuits on behalf of clients, accusing Diddy of sexual assault and more, but in particular, 22 of those cases were filed in federal courtroom for the Southern District of New York, a district where Buzbee isn't authorized to practice law. Normally, this is not a big deal. It happens all the time, and attorneys like Buzbee would just file a pro ac vice, asking a judge for permission to practice in that jurisdiction. However, in new docs, Diddy's team says Buzbee filed lawsuits before getting a judge to sign off on his pro ac vice, a major legal no-no. So they're saying, normally this happens, but you would have to get a judge to sign off on it. But Tony Buzbee did not take the route of getting a judge to sign off on it, and as such, he's in clear violation. And as such, the cases should be thrown out of court. Now they're saying Diddy says Jay-Z and his attorney already pointed this out last fall when they filed a lawsuit against Buzbee accusing him of extortion. According to Diddy's doc, Buzbee hasn't even tried to get the judge approval in some cases, but still went ahead and filed lawsuits. And on other occasions, he was actually denied admission to Southern District of New York. Diddy say the chair of the Committee of Grievances issued an order on February 13th denying Buzbee's effort to gain admission to the Southern District of New York, citing the fact Buzbee had been filing cases without first getting authorization. Buzbee has now filed a proper pro ac vice, but Diddy is strongly opposing it because Buzbee irregular misconduct warrants denial on privilege of appearing in this district. According to the docs, he also allegedly violated New York's rule of professional conduct for attorneys by repeatedly insisting Diddy is guilty of criminal charges he's facing, even though neither Buzbee or his clients are involved in that federal indictment. They've reached out to Buzbee, but no word back as yet. So guys, Jay-Z's lawsuit that Tony Buzbee filed against Jay-Z, it is opening a can of worm on him, Buzbee. So consistently back to back, he's been attacked and being attacked legally, and all the clause, all the statements are in fact factual. So I believe that as time passes, we may even see more people coming out to expose things against Buzbee. I honestly believe that what we're witnessing in this moment is just the start. But it's your time to chime in. What's your take? While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and see you guys in the comment section. Peace.